want to know if it's right for you, data or AI. So the questions you would need to answer. So first question is, are you comfortable with problem solving? Or are you someone that is also comfortable with analytical thinking? This is one of the ways you know if this career path is right for you. Are you also someone that enjoys working with data and numbers? This is how to also know if this career path is right for you. Are you familiar with basic programming concepts? This is one of the ways you also know that this is a career path that is right for you. And lastly, have you participated in projects, maybe while you're in doing undergraduate programs, and even before your undergraduate programs, you've done data analysis, you've visualized in one way or the other, then this is, that's a foundation layer. This you can build from there.